G'day everyone, Rob here from Aussie Powersports. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Mophie Go Rugged Power Station with the built-in air compressor. This little tool is a great versatile tool for any outdoorsman, camper, or if anyone just wants to throw this gadget in the back of their side-by-side or 4x4. I'm going to do a little unboxing, go through our favourite features, and I think what we do from there is you jump online, purchase this for yourself, and then jump into the comments and tell us your favourite features. Fresh packaging. I'm a bit of a package guy, eh? Wow. It is childproof. Where is that? Oh, there we go. Yeah. That's in a nutshell. Oh yeah, so these are your universal adapters. Put them over there. Jump starter cables. And then that is your charging port. Cool, air inflation adapters. All right, and that is your adapter to charge it. Plus with whatever country you decide you want to live in. All right, let's go over the jump start feature. Top side of the screen, there's your port to plug your leads in. Bang. Hook them up to your battery, you're good to go. This should jumpstart some of your trucks all the way to any 12-volt batteries, so your 4x4s, as well as the internal battery is 15,000 milliamps, so it should charge your phones, laptops, and any other accessories that you have with you on the go. Should charge your phone roughly around 5 to 6 times. Let's talk about the air compressor. On the back side here, all you do is flick this out, and the lead is just tucked in behind here. Now, you will need this lead when you are inflating tyres on your car specifically. For other accessories like balls, pool toys, anything else that requires air, mattresses, not required. We've found that you do need this lead, you do need the extension, because otherwise trying to get this onto a tyre and plug it in and then holding it like that when it's on the top side of the rim, or if you bring it down to the bottom side, still sometimes it's just not long enough. So you do want to make sure that this is with you. So try and keep the whole little compact together. What you want to do is just set air here, set your PSI to whatever thy desires, and you're good to go. It's not going to work now because it's not plugged into anything. Keep in mind though, this does get quite hot. So once you finish pumping up a tyre, for example, kind of let this thing cool down because it does get quite warm when it is doing those higher pressure PSIs. It's a little how-to. We've also, on this back side here, got a little light. Oh, and a strobe. Great. Additionally, the durability of this device is great. It's got a quite hard top, it's water resistant, it's weighing in only at about 1 kilo. So once you put everything into a bag, it's max about 2 kilos. So you can throw it behind the seat of your 4x4, you can throw it under the back of your side-by-side, charge it, throw it in there, set and forget. Trust me, you'll need it when you need it. Like anything, look after it, don't go smacking it around. But overall, a great device. Again, jumpstart a car, pump up your tyres, and just keep devices charged on the go when you're out living in the big, great outdoors. If you have any questions about this, jump onto our website, www.aussiepowersports.com.au. Purchase it, use it, leave a review in the comments. Let us know what you think. Make sure you go give us a follow on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and even the TikTok. Until next time, ride hard and stay safe.